Hello beautiful buds and welcome back to my channel. Oh man. So I have seen a couple of trends kind of going around YouTube, and you've probably seen them too. One of them is the tiny hands challenge, and another one is people trying to follow a Bob Ross painting tutorial. And I love Bob Ross, I love painting, and I love stupid DIY challenges where I fail miserably. So today we are going to be following a Bob Ross painting tutorial with tiny hands. Lord help me. Alright, here we go. Oh, hi Bob Ross. So, as you can see, I've approximated the colors that he has. Okay, 2-inch brush. Oh, shoot. I'm just gonna, oh, that was a lot of paint. That was a lot of paint. That was too much paint. Well, I already used my mouth. Alright, off to a terrible start. Okay, I can do this. This part's not quite as hard. My tiny hands are so tight. This doesn't look anything like Bob's. Ah! Oh, he's back to the first brush already. Ah! Oh, shoot. That. Happy accidents! It's in this video. If anybody's wondering, this tutorial that I'm following is called Bridge to Autumn. This whole thing is a happy accident. Okay. It's got like black and like brown, I think. Oh, it's a lot of black. Ah! I don't even think I could follow this at the speed if I had normal hands. Oh! I think that's brown. Triangles are hard. Oh shoot. It's going so fast. This is a nightmare. Whoever built this shack should be immediately fired. Oh my gosh, my arms hurt so bad. That's not real. I've made a mistake. No. No. There, that's my door. The swirly door. Okay, like when we do the brown stippling thing. Like. Bob Ross is so pure. I don't deserve him with my tiny hands. Okay, it's almost over, guys. I've got 3 more minutes. Whose idea was this? It's got a road. No pressure, says Bob Ross. I have normal hands, says Bob Ross. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it after a little bush here, because that's all I can handle. Okay, guys. I'm calling it. He's doing some touch-ups, but I don't think there's any saving this, so I am absolutely done. All right, that was a hot mess. If you want that painting, I will be selling it on my Poshmark for $500. No, I'm kidding. This is heinous. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was a blast to film, even though it was like the hardest thing I think I've ever done in my life. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any other like challenges or trending videos that you guys want me to do, because I don't do them very often, but they're really fun and I'd like to. I definitely want to do another one in the near future, but until then, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you with my next video.